So right now let's select the first option and then click OK. So now you will see the model colored based on the deviation from the point clouds. When all contours generated, you can also run extra filter. It will help you to split walls, floors and ceiling from internal elements like windows, sub-ceiling, beams, engineering, doors, etc. So for that, just select all these contours. No need to select the point cloud, only contours should be selected. Run this script and choose the polyline extrude rooms tool. On these steps, the script asks you to which level these rooms should be extruded, and if in the beginning you selected ceiling in the point cloud, then these contours will be automatically extruded to the ceiling level. But if you did not select the ceiling, you can create the levels group, create best plane, and then you can extrude these contours to the best plane levels. So right now let's select the first option and then click OK. So as we can see, all rooms were extruded to the right levels except of the corridor. And corridor we can extrude manually to the right level. So for that, first I will create these two levels, for bottom and for the top. So just create new folder, name it levels, create two planes, one for bottom, one for top. So these planes you can just insert into the levels group. You can name it as you wish. So right now I have names floor and ceiling. So next, if you select this contour, you can run it. You can select extrude rooms. Now you can select the second option. And here script will ask you what will be level for the floor, for the bottom, and what level will be for the ceiling, for the top. Then click OK. So you will see that this corridor will be extruded to the right levels. So when these meshes are generated, you will find that in mesh group there will be separate folder for each room, and each room has 3 meshes for walls, for floors and for ceiling. So these meshes you can use for one more extra filter for the point cloud. So just select all of them, don't select the point cloud, run the same script and select the filter point clouds and inspect mesh tool, that one. Script will ask you to select the point cloud for filtering. So just click to the original point cloud. Here it will ask you, would you like to perform the deviation inspection after filtering? So you can enable or you can disable this option, it's up to you. So let's try enable it. And if you enable, then on the next step, script will ask you to which element you would like to apply this inspection. Only to walls, only to floors, only to ceiling, or to all of these elements. So here on this page you can select which element you would like to apply the inspection and some parameters for inspection. So you can use the default parameters and then start the analysis. So when the inspection will be done, you will see this information here. Now you can hide the point cloud. So let's hide all point clouds. So now you will see the model colored based on the deviation from the point clouds. So now we can see clearly where we have missing elements, and we can also understand how accurate the modeling was done. We can see the deviation areas for floors, for ceilings, for walls, and also it will help us for the next stage to extract windows and doors. But also if you open the point cloud group, and if you open the point cloud related to the first room, so you will see that now walls, floors and ceiling, they have one color because they were located close to the mesh, and all objects which were located far from your model, from the mesh model which we generated, all this object has now separate layer. So you can work with them separately. For example, I can show on screen only these elements. So here mainly I have columns and the beams. So it will help me easier to extract all these columns in next steps.